No, 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 no.
And this time I want to show you how you can secure your Facebook account so that it will not be very easy for others to just post on your profile. Okay, so let's go on to Facebook. Click on Facebook and then click on the three lines, which is the menu bar. Okay, and then when you see your account, go down to settings and privacy. Click on that, and then you can select settings again. Click on settings. Okay, and then here you can update your account settings like personal information, your translation for posts, your ads payment, Facebook Pay. Most especially, you can go down to privacy settings. Okay, and on your privacy settings, you can click on that and check your privacy. Like, for example, check a few important settings here, manage your profile, and then who can see your future posts. You can check on that whether you're friends or public. Okay, and then you can limit who can see past posts, right? Who can see the people pages and lists you follow. You can make that public, or you can click on that one and make it your friends only, or friends except. You can exclude people, or you can make it only me or specific friends. Okay, so you can go back there. Let's go back, and then you can now go to profile and tagging. Okay, click on that, profile and tagging, and then you can check on the different um, parts here. Like, for example, in number one, who can post on your profile. This is very important because some people, you might not be able to review if you are going to make this one your friends. Okay, so if you allow your friends to like post on your timeline, you can just click on friends. But for me, I want to secure my profile. I want to secure my Facebook, so I just want me to post on my profile. Okay, so let's go back, and then who can see what others post on your profile. All right, so this is automatic when you allow friends to post on your profile. Okay, now who can see those posts? You can check on number two item. Okay, maybe you can click on everyone if you allow your profile to be more public. You can check on friends of friends also, but for me, I want only me. But it's like a more strict management of my Facebook account. All right, so in this the third one here says allow others to share your posts to their stories. Okay, so if you, for example, you want to influence others, you're going to post on your Facebook profile, and then you want others to share those posts, so you can make this one on or off, yes or no. Okay, so allow others to share your post to their stories. You can click yes if you allow them, or no if you don't allow them to share your posts. Okay, tagging. All right, so sometimes people would just like to tag you so that you can see on your profile the things that they want you to see, and then your friends would also see if you will not manage this one properly. So on tagging, you can click on everyone. They tag you, people will see those tags on your profile. Or maybe you limit only to your friends and then their friends, or your friends only, or you may exempt exempt others from seeing the tagged pictures or videos, or you can click on only me. All right, so that's about tagging. Okay. um when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can already see it? You can make this one, you can check on the settings on this one also, friends or only me. Okay, and then reviewing. This is very important. Review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. So you want to review first the tags when people tag you on their posts. Okay, and then you want to check whether you want let those tags to appear on your Facebook. You can turn this on or turn this off. Okay, so if you turn this off, that means you will not review anymore. It means that their post will automatically tag you there. Okay, so I want this one switch on so that I will review the tags on my posts. All right, so they're going to request you for the tag. Okay, review what other people see. Click on that, and then this is what others would see on your profile. Okay, the other people would not like to show things in here, so you can make this one a little bit more strict. Okay, review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile, so you can turn this on or you can turn this off. Okay, all right, so that's it for privacy tagging. Okay, and other things about your profile, Facebook profile. All right, thank you very much.